welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages pouring in for Usamkelo Mkhize. Esimazi kakhulu guys laphana ke kwi-Skeem Saam. She's currently kwi-Skeem Saam edlala ke indawo kaKhwezi, kanti ke waduma kakhulu ke laphana ke kuSibaya edlala indawo kaMabuyi. And ke guys, she is officially off the market. The star of SABC 1 drama series Skeem Saam ubopheke ifindo lika Sofa Silahlane endaweni ke yaseStenga kwaDukuza KZN. In an Instagram post uSamkelo uye washare ke nabalandeli bakhe wathi ke he said, let's get married, and I was like, say it normal or say normal. And ke guys ke baseke kubo ukuthi ke kade ke eshada. I remember guys ukuthi ke uSamkelo walotsholwa I think few years back, not last year, maybe it might be that other year, walotsholwa. And umnyeni wakhe ke owasevenda, he's a vendor guy, and ke guys ke bamthathile ke evenda ukuthi ke ayohlobisa ke as Zulu makoti. So congratulations to her. We wish her all the best guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and let's celebrate with Usamkelo and the family. Bye.